Hey guys, so this was my first VIB sale and I was so excited. I went a lot overboard, but I feel like it was worth it. So let's jump right into it. We'll go over the boring stuff first. So I got the Sephora Micellar, how do you pronounce that? Whatever, charcoal water. We'll see how that goes. I literally added this to my cart so that I could make the next tier up. I just needed a couple dollars. I got the citrus brush cleaner, which I heard smells really good, but this is just so that when I'm switching in between my eyeshadows, I can just spray it a little bit, get it clean. I got some lemon scented makeup wipes because makeup remover alone doesn't do it for me. So, yep, in an effort to conceal my pores, I went ahead and got the mini milk primer, which I heard is like dumb matte, like stupid matte. So what the lady told me was just put it in the areas that I have oil issues. Don't put it everywhere. So I'm going to try that out. And the only face cleaner I got, like non-makeup product, was the Tatcha Pore Perfector Cleansing Duo. Comes with a deep cleaner and a moisturizer. I heard a lot of bad reviews about it, saying that it broke people out terribly. I've used it for 3 nights now and haven't broken out. I also have not seen a difference in my pores, but I'm going to hang with it until the bottle's done, and then we'll do a full review at that point. And moving on, this is my favorite thing in the world, are eyelashes, even though I'm not wearing any right now. So I got the Velour Flary Godmom. And I guess I really like these because I accidentally bought 3 of them. Boom. I also got them in Fluff'n Edgy. Foundation. I got a couple foundations that I've been dying to try, which is the Estee Lauder Double Wear. And I am in the color Rich Cocoa. Can't wait to try that. I will be doing a full review on this. I also got the Hourglass Vanish foundation stick, and I am in the color Walnut. Can't wait to try that out. And speaking of Hourglass, I traded in 100 points to get the Hourglass Veil Primer. I usually don't try more than one new product at once, but I will be trying these 2 together because they're made by the same company. They should gel, right? We'll find out. You guys notice my contour is not very deep, so I went ahead and got the Bobbi Brown foundation stick in the color Espresso, which is, I think, one of their darkest shades. And I also got the Anastasia contour kit in Tan to Deep. Does not come with a mirror, but that's cool. Speaking of Anastasia, I went ahead and got the blush kit. These colors are pigmented. Super pigmented. I actually have one right now. I went ahead and got the travel size Becca highlighter in Pearl Flashes to Gold. This is the Lightchaser highlighter. I wanted to see what the hype was about, so I got a travel size Laura Mercier setting powder in the color Deep. And I'm super oily and I'm getting pretty sick of it. So I'm going to try the De-Slick Urban Decay setting spray. And I went ahead and got my girl Riri's Matchstick Trio. And it comes with the highlighter shade, the contour shade, and that beautiful highlighter shade. And they're all magnets, so they stick together. And it comes with a pretty decent amount of product. Look at that. And it was on sale. Yo, you can't beat this. Like, you can't beat it. Next time though, I'm gonna save up to do the VIP sale. And this is where it gets fun. This is where it gets fun. My first ever Tarte product. I got the Tarte Amazon Clay palette. Ooh, and this is a mirror. It's so beautiful. Look at those. So beautiful. We'll be doing a full review on this one as well. Got my first Anastasia palettes. And these come with a mirror and a brush. I'm going to take the brush out so it doesn't fall. Look at that. Look at those colors. Whew. Can't wait to play around with that. So that was the Prism palette, and the packaging is super cute. And then last but not least, I got the new Soft Glam palette. Also came with a brush and a mirror. Look at those colors. So pretty. So that was my VIB haul. I'm super excited to play around with these things. Stay tuned for my next videos and my reviews.